Hey Bougie, how you doing? It's Terry from Hey Bougie Lifestyle. Before I get started, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like, share, comment, and please hit that notification bell. So each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. So, today we're making a quick and easy meal. And remember, I went to Aldi, well, I had an Aldi delivery, and I said I was trying out all these chicken nuggets that taste just like Chikfila. So, this is the bag. This is what they look like. Chicken nuggets. It is the crispy chicken nuggets with the red and white container on the front. So, that's that. So, I want you to get it. Screenshot it if you need to. Okay. Now, I'm going to put these back in my freezer because I don't want them to thaw out, but I have made some, and I have them here on the tray. Hold on. So I'm going to, hold on. You know me. I'm just like, I'm going to make like a salad. I'm going to use, and Chick-fil-A also has a kale salad. So I'm like, oh, I have this sweet kale chopped salad. So I'm going to just, add them to my salad. And we'll see how this turns out. So this is also from Aldi. Now it's got, this has green cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, green onions, dried cranberries, poppy seed dressing, and roasted pumpkin seeds. So I don't know if I'm going to like the dressing so much, but we'll see. Give it a try. We don't, you can add, my preferred dressing. So I'm just going to make a little... and it's chopped. And here I got the fancy stuff. So. Add this. I love cranberries. I love pumpkin seeds. So, yeah. Some for next time. All right. And I don't know how I feel about this dressing, but we shall see. Let me see. That's good. Yum. All right. So. Now, you guys know I make everything done. So I air fried my nuggets a little longer than it says. It says air fry for 350 for 15 to 17 minutes, but I did mine a little longer. But I like a little extra dark and crisp. This is just me. So, you guys know. So mine don't look so pretty. Okay. So. So, it's a little bit hot. I'm going to just taste the nugget. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Yum. Mm. It's white meat. Delicious. I say, yes, it's definitely good, just as good as Chick-fil-A nuggets. Now, theirs might not be as well done as mine, but let's taste this salad. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yum. And let's get a bite of the nugget and the salad. Mm. Oh. Quick and easy, crispy chicken kale salad. This is delicious. It's great, protein packed, flavorful, quick and easy. So, yes, I say the nuggets stand up to Chick-fil-A nuggets. So if you like Chick-fil-A, you will like these nuggets because I love them. They are chef's kiss. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I said I would come back, you know, and I want to be a woman of my word and let you know these nuggets are delicious. This salad is very tasty, and all of it's from Aldi. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and stay bougie.